Today I will teach you project number 48, that is My Silicon Valley. So here these are instructions, and on this project we have to make a app with our own, with our mind, with our ideas. So I have created it already. So here we will check. We will click here, open link. Here we will click cartoon quizzes. So my app name is cartoon quizzes that I have created. Yeah. So here we have to create many screens. I have created 16 screens. So this is screen 1, and on screen 1, first of all we have to take column. This is screen 1. We have taken a column, and column vertical alignment will be space around, and here we have taken a label. Text is welcome to cartoon quiz, and font size is 30. Color is light green, and if you want you can give any color, dark blue, light blue, pink or any. Then we have taken a button, that is button 1, and here this is label 1, this is button 1. ID is start quizzes, and here we have given text color black, and font size is 18, background color is light pink. And now screen 1 is done. Screen 1 designing part is not too much. Now we will see about screen 2. This is screen 2, and here this is screen 2, and inside screen 2 we have taken column. Before we are creating any screens, we have to take column, and we have to change vertical alignment to space around. Now we have taken label 2, and text is choose a cartoon channel and give answers of their quizzes, then full stop. Then we have opened circle bracket, and here it is written best of luck. Then after label 2, font size is 22, color is light pink. If you want you can give any color. And then here this is, so this ID is label 2, text is choose a cartoon channel and give answers of their quizzes, best of luck. Then this is button 2, this is label 2, this is button 2. So here this is button 2. We have written in all capital letters. We have written Shinchan, and text color is black. Font size is 18. Background color is red. Then we have taken one more button. ID is button 6, and here we have written all capital in all capital letters. Text is roll number 21. Text color is black, font size is 18, background color is light green. Then we have taken one more button, that is button 3, and in all capital letters we have written Doraemon, and text color is black, font size is 18. Now we will see button 5. Here text is in all capital letters. All thing here we have written in capital letters only, and here we have written Ninja Hattori. Text color is black, font size is 18, background color is yellow. Now screen 2 is also done. Screen 1 and screen 2, it's not too much designing part, and not only screen 1 and screen 2, in all screens. And code is also not too much. So this is screen 3. Here this is image 1 ID is. So this is Shinchan image. So we will get the image from Google here. Shinchan and his dog image. We will search. Now we will go on images. From here we can take any image. And if here I will click, I will right click it and I can copy image address or save image as any name. So I have copied the copy image address and I have pasted it here. So image has come. Then below image 1 we have taken label 3. Text is what is the name of Shin-chan's dog? Question mark. And below label 3 we have taken button 8. Text color is black, font size is 18, background color is red. And here I have taken one more button, that is button 7. Text is 0 and text color is black, font size is 18, background color is red. And here we have taken this button 9. Text is Mimi and text color is black, font size is 18, background color is red. And then below this button 9 we have to take a label that will be black label. Yeah, here I will type and show. See this label. We have taken this label, font size is 19, color is light pink and ID is label 4. And here this is button 10. Button 10 text is next quiz. Text color is black, font size is 18, background color is light pink. So here, what is the name of Shin-chan's dog? Shin-chan's dog name is Shiro. We will select Shiro. Then here this blank label, it will show, yeah, you are correct, you got it. And if we will select incorrect option, here it will show, no, you are wrong, better luck next time, like that. And we will click on next quiz, so it will automatically navigate. So it will be automatically navigated to screen 4. Now this is next quiz. So here this is image 2, ID is image 2, and I have already told you that how to take image. So I have taken this Shin-chan's image and I have copied image address and I have pasted it here. And below image we have taken label 5. Text is what does Shin-chan hates to eat and question mark. Then we have taken button 11. Text is radish and we have taken then, and here text color is black, font size is 18, background color is font size we can put 18 or 19. We will put as 18. Yes. Then below that we have taken button 12. Text is P. Text color is black. Font size is 18. Then we have taken button 13. Text is capsicum. Text color is black. Font size is 18. Then again we have taken a blank label that ID is label 7 and font size is 19. Color is light pink. Then we have taken button 17. Button 17, here it is written next quiz, text color is black, font size is 18, background color is light pink. Then we will go on screen 2. Now this is the last quiz. So this is also image, and here we have taken label 6. Text is what is the name of Shin-chan's female friend? Then we will take button 14. Text is nanny. Text color is black. Font size is 18. Background color is yellow. Then we have taken again a one button. Button 15. Text is Mexico. Then we have taken button 16. Text is Himawari. Then we have taken a blank label that is label 8 and font size is 19, color is light pink. Then we have taken button 18, text is back to cartoons list. Text color is black, background color is light pink. When we will dark pink. When we will click here, it will automatically navigate it to screen 2. This cartoons list. This is cartoons list. We can select any channel from here. Now we will come to screen 6. In roll number 21, what is the name of blue man? Here we have taken this image and we have taken one button, that is button 19. Text is Chris, text color is black, font size is 18, background color is brown. Then we have taken one more button, ID is button 20, text is Bablu. We have taken one more button, ID is button 21, Krishna, text is. Then we have taken a blank label, that is label 27, font size is 19, color is light pink. Then we have taken button 53. We have taken button 53. Text is next quiz. Text color is black. Background color is light pink. Now we will come to screen 7. We have taken this image of Kanish and this image ID is image 5. This is image 4, and also we can set background color if we want, or we can keep as white background color. None we can select. I have selected this background color. We should keep as background color so it will look more attractive. Our app will look more attractive. Now this is screen 7, and here below image 5 we have taken one label. ID is label 10. Text is who is the principal of the Mathura Anath Ashram. Then we have taken one button 22. Text is Yuvraj, text color is black, font size is 18, background color is light green. Then button 23 we have taken text is Kanishk. Button 24 we have taken text is Amik. Then we have taken a blank label, text blank label ID is label 11. Then we have taken button 25 below label 11, text is next quiz. Now we will come to screen 8. Now here this is screen 8. This is the image 6. This is the label 12. What is the relation between Chris and Pinky? This is Pinky and Chris. This is Chris. Now this is button 26. Text is brother sister and text color is black, font size is 18, background color is dark green. Brother sister and button 27 none, button 28 classmates. Then below button 20 we have taken a blank label and ID is label 30. Then below blank label we have taken a button that is ID is label 29, back to cartoons list is text. And now we will go to screen 10. This is Doraemon's channel. Now this is the image 7. Now this is the label 14. Text is from what Doraemon is afraid of. Now this is the button 30. Text is red, text color is black, font size is 18, background color is purple. Now this is button 31, text is lizard. Button 32, text is cockroach. And below button 32 we have taken a black label, ID is label 15. Font size is 19, background color is light pink. So whatever it will display in label 15, it will be display on color in light pink. Here this color. text color will be light pink. Now this is the button below label, below blank label. This is the button 33. Text is next quiz. Text color is black, font size is 18, background color is light pink. Now we will come to screen 11. So we have to, for one channel we have to create, for one channel we have to create 3 quizzes, and we can't create 3 quizzes in one screen only. So for that, on Thunkable we have to create more screens for more quiz. If we want to add for Shinchan, for Doraemon channel, we have to create 10 quizzes. So we have to create 10 screens also, like that. Now this is screen 11. Image ID is image 8, and below that we have taken a label 16, who is the best friend of Doraemon. Then we have taken button 34. Text is Shizuka. Text color is black. Font size is 18. Background color is blue. Then we have taken button 35. Text is Jian. We have taken button 36. Text is Nobita. And below button 36 we have taken a blank label. ID is label 17. For ID we can give anything. We can give label underscore blank or blank underscore label. Blank label, label blank. We can give any ID. So I have given label 17. Now we will, below blank label we will add one more button, that is button 37. Text is next quiz. Text color is black. Font size is 18. Background color is light pink. Now we will come to screen 12. Now this is the image of Nobita's mom. Here also we can search on Google image of Nobita's mom. Then this is image 9. Now we have, below image 9 we have taken a label, that is label 18. Text is what is the name of Nobita's mom. Now this is button 38. Text is Tamako Nobi. Button 30 Tamako Nobi, and text color is black. Font size is 18. Below button 38 we have taken button 39. Text is Masako Matsubara. Then button 40. Text is Mrs. Honekawa. Then below button 40 we have taken a label, that is label 19. Text will be empty. This is blank label. Font size will be 19. Color will be light pink, and ID will be label 9. Then below label 19, ID will be label 19. Below label 19 we have taken a button 41. Text will be back to cartoons list. Text color will be blank. Font size will be 18, and background color will be light pink. Now we will come to screen 13. Here this is Ninja Hattori's channel. Now here this is the image. We can select any background color. I will show how to change the background color. Now this is image 10. Now this is image 10. This is label 20. Does Shinzo cry very very loudly? This is button 42. And here text is yes. Button 43. Text is no. So yes, text color is black. Font size will be 18. And background color will be light green. Now this is button 44. Text is don't know. Now below button 44 we have taken a label. ID is label 28, and this is blank label. Font size is 19. Color is light pink. Below blank label 28 we have taken a button, that is button 54. Next quiz. Text color is black. Font size is 18. Background color is light pink. Now we will come to screen 14. Now this is image 11. Below image 11 we have taken label 21. ID is label 21. text is just Shishimaru is type of ninja. And for every below image, for every label of question label, font size is 19 and color is black. Now this is button 45. Background color is black. Font size is 18. Text is no. This is button 46. Text is yes. Font size is 18. Background color is black. Now this is button 47. Text is don't know. This is label 29 below button 47. Label 29, this will be label blank. Label 29 is ID. Font size is 19. Background color is light pink. Now this is button 55. Here ID is next page. Here ID is button 55. Text is next page. Now we will come to screen 15. Now this is image 12. This is label 22. ID is what does Ninja Hattori's brother name is. This is button 48, Shinzo Hattori. Now this is button. For button 48, text color will be white only, and text is Shinzo Hattori. Font size is 18. Now this is button 49. Text is Kenichi. Button 50, text is Amara. Then below button 50, we have taken a label, that is blank label. ID is label 23. Font size is 18, or we can put as 19. Color is light pink. Now this is button 56. ID is back to cartoons list. Now this is below button 56. We have taken a label, that ID is label 24, and text is how was our app? Please give a feedback on it. Now here we will come to button 51. This is button feedback page. Text color is black. Font size is 18. Background color is light pink. And here label 24. Font size is 19. Color is light pink. Now here if we will come to this button, this is text color. So if I will give the text color as brown, I know it is not showing, but this text color is brown. So this is hex. We will copy this hex. And if we want this button's text also brown, so we don't need to change. We can also you can see here cross mark. We can do it here, and we can again, and here we can paste the hex. We will come here, and here we can paste hex. So this is also the brown. So we will change the text color. Like this, we can, without changing the color, we can copy the hex and paste it, so color will be the same. Now this is screen 16. This we have taken column. This is screen 16. Column 15. Label 25. ID is label 25. Text is, do you like our app? Please tell us about it. Now this is text input. Hint is type here. ID is text input 1. Now we have taken button 52. Button 52, text is submit. Text color is black. Font size is 18. Background color is light pink. And text input, we will go to advanced text style. Color is black. Font family we can select from here. Italic I have selected. And now below button 52 we have taken a label. ID is label 26. Now this is blank label. Font size is 19. Color is black. So here button, this is screen 15. Column 14. screen 14 column 13, screen 13 column 12. Now in screen 12 column 11 is there, in screen 11 column 10 is there, in screen 10 column 9 is there, in screen 8 column 8 is there, and in screen 7 column 7 is there. Now in screen 6 column 6 is there, in screen 5 column screen 5 is there, in screen 4 column screen 4 is there, in screen 3 column screen 3 is there, in screen 2 column screen 2 is there, in screen 1 columns 1 is there. Now I will show how to change the background color of the screen. For that I will add a new screen, that will be screen 17, and after that I will delete. Now this is the screen. Now we have to change the background color of the screen, not of the column and anything. We have to change the background color of the screen. So anything, label, image, we will put the background color will be that only. Now here we will create new screen. On top only we will see background color. We can put any background color here like this. Now I will delete the screen 17 here. Now we will see the blocks from screen 1. For screen 1 block is when button 1 is click, navigate to screen 2. Means when button start quizzes is click, navigate to screen 2. And when button 2 is click, navigate to screen 3. Button 3 is click, navigate to screen 10. Button 5 is click, navigate to screen 13. Button 6 is click, navigate to screen 6. It means when Shinchan channel is click, navigate to Shinchan's quizzes. Roll number 21 channel is click, navigate to their quizzes, like that. Now we will come to screen 3. Now when label 7 is click, set label 4 text to yeah, you got it right. When button 8 is click, set label 4 text to oh, you are wrong, better luck next time. Button 9 is click, set label 4 text to oh, you are wrong, better luck next time. When do button 10 is click, navigate to screen 4 here. When we will select the wrong button, so it will display here in label 4 oh, you are wrong. We will select correct option, here it will come yeah, you are right. When we will click here button 10 next quiz, it will navigate to screen 4. Button 11 will click, set label 7 text to oh, you are wrong, better luck next time. Button 12 will click, set label 7 text to oh, you are wrong, better luck next time. Button 13 is click, set label 7 text to yeah, you got it right. Button 17 is click, navigate to screen 5. Now this is screen 5. All the things are same, only the changes of the ID. When button 14 is click, label set label A text to yeah, you got it right. Set label when button 15 is click, set label A text to oh, you are wrong, better luck next time. When button 16 is click, set label 8 text to oh, you are wrong, better luck next time. When button 18 is click, navigate to screen 2. It means navigate to cartoons list. Now this is button 6, screen 6. Now here also the same thing. Button 19 click, label 27 text to yeah, you got it right. Button 20 click, set label 27 text to oh, you are wrong. Button 21 click, set label 27 text to oh, you are wrong. When button 53 click, navigate to screen 7. This is screen 7. Button 22 click, set label 1 text to oh, you are wrong, better luck next time. Button 23 click, this is 22. Button 23 click, set label 11 text to yeah, you got it right. When button 24 will be click, set label 11 text to oh, you are wrong, better luck next time. Button 25 click, navigate to screen 8. Now this is screen 8. When button 26 click, set label 13 text to oh, you are wrong, better luck next time. Button 27 click, set label 13 text to oh, you are wrong, better luck next time. Button 28 click, set label 13 text to oh, yeah, you got it right. When do button 29 click, navigate to screen 2, it means cartoons list. Now this is screen 10. When do button 13 click set label 15 text to yeah you got it right. Button 31 click set label 15 text to oh you are wrong better luck next time. Button 32 click set label 15 text to oh you are wrong better luck next time. Button 33 click navigate to screen 11. This is screen 11. Button 34 click set label 17 text to oh you are wrong. Button 35 click set label 17 text to oh you are wrong better luck next time. Button 36 click set label 17 text to yeah you got it right. Button 37 click navigate to screen 12. Now we will come to screen 12. This is screen 12. When to button 38 click navigate. Button 38 click set label 9 text to yeah you got it right. But when to button 39 click set label 19 text to oh you are wrong better luck next time. When to button 40 click set label 19 text to oh you are wrong better luck next time. When to button 41 click navigate to screen 2. It means cartoons list. I have in designing part, when I was teaching you designing part, I have already told you all the IDs of the labels and buttons and columns and screens, everything I have shown you the ID. That ID is used here, correct ID. If in one button also the ID mistake will be there, the app will be error. Now this is button 42 click set label 28 text to yeah you got it right. Button 43 click set label 28 text to oh you are wrong better luck next time. Button 44 click set label 28 select text to better luck next time. Button 54 click navigate to screen 14. This is screen 14. When button 45 click here, yeah, when button 14 click set label, when button 14 click, when button 45 click set label 29 text to oh you are wrong. Button 46 o'clock. But button 46 click set label 29 text to yeah you got it right. Button 47 click set label 29 text to better luck next time. Button 55 click navigate to screen 15. Now this is screen 15. When do button 48 click set label 23 text to yeah you got it right. Button 49 click set label 23 text to oh you are wrong better luck next time. When do button 50 click set label 23 text to oh you are wrong better luck next time. When do button 51 click navigate to screen 16. Button 56 click navigate to screen 2. It means cartoon list. And one more thing we can add in screen 2, a button text will be home screen, and in home screen we will click, it will navigate to screen 1. Okay, we will add here button, we will take below Ninja Hattori. Back to home page. Back to home page. Back to home page. Now text color will be black. Font size will be 18 is fine. 18. Background color will be light dark pink. Dark pink. Yeah. Now this is button 57. When button 57 click navigate to screen 1. When button 57 click, I will go to controls, navigate to screen 1. Yeah. Now we will live test it. Yeah. Welcome to Cartoon Quiz. Start quizzes. Choose a cartoon channel and give answers of the quizzes. Best of luck. Shin-chan. We will click. What is the name of Shin-chan's dog? Jugnu. Oh, you are wrong. Better luck next time. Shiro. Yeah, you got it right. Oh, you are wrong. Better luck next time. Next quiz. What does Shin-chan hates to eat? Radish. Oh, you are wrong. Better luck next time. Pea. Capsicum. Yeah, you got it right. P. Oh, you are wrong. Better luck next time. Next quiz. What is the name of Shinchan's female friend? Nanny? Oh, here we can't see the label. Okay, okay. It's no problem. We will change. We will go to screen 5. We will come to the label 8 here. I will. Okay. I will change the background color only. It's fine. Yeah, now we will live test from there only, from where we have stopped. Yeah, Nanny. Yeah, you got it right. Yeah, now it's we can see. Oh, you are wrong. Better luck next time. Mexico. Oh, you are wrong. Better luck next time. Back to cartoons list. Roll number 21. In roll number 21, what is the name of blue man? Chris. Yeah, you got it right. Krishna. Oh, you are wrong. Better luck next time. Bablu. Oh, you are wrong. Better luck. Next quiz. Who is the principal of Mathura Anath of the Mathura Anatha Ashram? Yuvraj. Oh, you are wrong. Better luck next time. Kanishk. Yeah, you got it right. Amit. Oh, you are wrong. Better luck next time. Next quiz. What is the relation between Chris and Pinky? Brother, sister? Oh, you are wrong. Better luck next time. Yeah, you got it right. None? Oh, you are wrong. Better luck next time. Back to cartoons list. Doraemon. From what does Doraemon is afraid of? Rat. Here also we can't see the label. Okay. Screen 7, 10. I will change the background color. Now we will have to it from there only, from where we have stopped. Yeah. Rat. Now also we can't. Background color I have changed. Then also why? Yeah. Rat. Yeah, you got it right. Cockroach. Oh, you are wrong. Better luck next time. Lizard. Oh, you are wrong. Better luck next time. Next quiz. Who is the best friend of Doraemon? Shizuka. Oh, you are wrong. Better luck next time. Nobita. Yeah, you got it right. Jian. Oh, you are wrong. Better luck next time. Next quiz. What is the name? Thank you. What is the name of Nobita's mom? Tamako Nobi. I will select. Yeah, you got it right. Mrs. Honekawa. Oh, you are wrong. Better luck next time. Masako Matsubara. Oh, you are wrong. Better luck next time. Back to cartoons list. Ninja Hattori. Does Shinzo cry very, very loudly? Yes. Okay. For one thing I have missed that I have not showed you. Screen 16. That is feedback page. That is very important. I have not showed you. I have missed. When do button 52 click? If do, we will take is equals to sign text input once text is equals to null set text input once hint to empty input can't be submitted. It means if in input we have not typed anything and we are clicking the submit button, so it will be not submitted. On input hint will be display as in empty input can't be submitted. Button 52. If text input once text it is not is equals to null, set label 26 text to thank you so much for your feedback. It means in input will be not null. It means input will be not input will be not empty. So if we are clicking the submit button, inside input we have written anything, wow, nice, and we are clicking submit button, so it will display as thank you so much for your feedback, not in input, in blank label. Yeah, now we will continue with live test. From here, live test. Does Shinzo cry very very loudly? Yes. Yeah, you got it right. Here also we can't see. I will change screen's background color. Live test. Yes. Yeah, you got it right. No. Oh, you're wrong. Better luck next time. Don't know. better luck next time. Next quiz. Does Shishimaru is type of ninja? No. Oh, you are on better luck next time. Yes. Yeah, you got it right. Don't know. Better luck next time. Next quiz. What does Ninja Hattori's brother name is? Shinzo Hattori? Yeah, you got it right. Amara? Oh, you are wrong. Better luck next time. Kenichi? Oh, you are wrong. Better luck next time. Back to cartoons list. Back to home page. Working properly. Start quizzes. Ninja Hattori? Yes. Next quiz. Yes. Next quiz. I will show you feedback page. Shinzo Hattori. Yeah, you got it right. How was our app? Please give a feedback on it. Feedback page. Do you like our app? Please tell us about it. Type here. See, I'm typing. The phone family is italic. Now I will type here. I will not type anything. Empty. Now I will just live test again. Next quiz. Yes. Next quiz. Feedback page. Submit. Yeah. Now I'm submitting. So it is submitting. Blank input. Text is hint is empty input can't be submitted. I will type wow. Submit. Thank you so much for your feedback. And here, if we will click on don't know button, it will display better luck next time. So this was a project of Silicon Valley with our creativity, with our mind, with our ideas. We have to create by our own. So this was the project, or you can create by your ideas. So this is the name of our app game. So the name is Cartoon Quizzes. What is the inspiration behind developing the app or game? It was really became one of my favorite app. The most I like that user will be engaged till end. Describe your app in detail. Share the special features of your app game. There are quizzes of cartoons and there are 4 channels of cartoons. For one channel of cartoon there are 3 quizzes, and for one page of quiz there are 3 options. There are 3 options to select. We have to try to select one option that is correct. Now we will copy. We will come to share. We will generate link and we will copy it, and here we will paste. Nahi manega. And here we will paste it and we will click here submit project. So this was a project. So bye guys.